Yeah, good
Okay,
evening
shall we
everyone.
start? So we
Yeah,
can introduce yourself and
can we
start.
start this shooting
Yeah,
because we are standing also Ashoka Park
same as like
and
routine.
same routine, same time, but today weather is so pleasant and uh, wind is blowing slowly and weather is cloudy and we are enjoying the weather. Me, I and my friend. Same routine and same time, same work, and every day we are come here for conversation and we are starting our conversation. So today topic is unemployment. So please tell me about unemployment in India.
Yeah, thank you so much. You have given me a crucial topic. Nowadays also be a famous and also be the important relevant topic we can say that in our country India specifically. So first of all, as you know, my name is Umar. I am from Bihar, Arya district. Currently, I live in Delhi and pursuing graduation from Delhi University. Also for improve my communication skills. So topic is about the unemployment. First of all, you know the unemployment. What is the unemployment? Unemployment like who is able to do work and any kinds like ability but not give any kinds of job. It's also be considered in unemployment. Basically in India there this is the biggest problem. You can say the biggest problem. The people are also nowadays suffering from these kinds of problem. We can say that like unemployment in India. There are so many young nowadays already have done like any kinds of courses, PhD holder. We can say there are so many qualification but no any kinds of get job just because of unemployment. And consider the basically I belong to Bihar, so I know about the Bihar is no better. So this is the also major problem in Bihar right now, unemployment. We can say that labor is also with the migrate in more for only the job for one state to another state, like Bihar to Delhi, Delhi to other foreign country. In nowadays also there are so many unemployment that in outer country like abroad. It's leg of the uh, employment. There are basically in India. If I talk the basically in India, the major unemployment including like a young person those who already have done any kinds of the qualification like graduation, post graduation, yeah, any kinds of diploma. It's they are able to do work but no any kinds of job. It's lack of the, we can say, lack of industrial, lack of the opportunity, lack of the resources, lack like you can say the lack of the government problem. So the basically the problem is like unemployment in India. Like I consider in Bihar. I belong to Bihar, so I know about the Bihar. Bihar is the maximum people. Maximum people are migrate and migrate. Second problem in Bihar also in education and health. Also we can conclude. The third point, 3 point is basically happen in not only considered in Bihar, in every states problem.